What's up guys, Who-Man here. I'm back at the beach for another shampoo prank. On the last shampoo prank I told you guys, if the video got a lot of shares and a lot of comments of you guys saying you want to see more shampoo pranks, that I will do it again. So, I'm back at the beach for shampoo prank part 9.
Oh my god! What?
What the f*** is this? What? What?
There's something up, man. Somebody put in a shampoo inside the shower.
Where's this coming from? What the fuck is this water too? Are you serious? Oh my god! I don't have time for this shit, man.
Ah shit, I can't see. Fuck. What the fuck?
He needs some milk.
What's up guys, thank you for watching my show. Hey, if you want to see more shampoo pranks, all you gotta do is 2 easy things. First, comment below, Who-Man, do more shampoo pranks. And 2, share this video with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Come on, share the laughter with your friends. If this video gets a lot of shares, likes, and comments, I'll do it again for you guys as a shampoo prank part 10. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.